In this video, we will provide an overview of the many different databases available in Zacks Excel Link. When you open one of the wizards, whether it be the single data point, the time series, or the multi-company table, all under the Zacks ribbon, you'll notice in the left pane that there is a list of databases available. The default database is DBCM. DBCM has primary current market data for active tickers. DBCM includes price data, estimates, and high-level income statement and balance sheet data. When you click on a category in the middle pane, the items within the category will populate in the right side. So we have price and price change. We'll notice that we have items now for the price and price change that populated on the right. Each data item has an associated item number, and the amount of history for each item is also displayed. For example, in the price and price change, for the month end, we see it's item 6 and has 13 months of data. To switch databases, we'll simply click on a different database in the left pane. For more details on the available Zacks databases, you can download the database appendix. But here is a quick overview of the databases available in Zacks Link. Now selected is DBCM HIST. DBCM HIST contains the same data items as DBCM, but with more history. Most items have 10 years of history. As we'll see in the same item, we have month end, item 6, but now we have 121 months of data versus the 13 months available in DBCM. DBZAG contains monthly time series for estimates, price, and select ratios and quarterly earnings data. DBDA contains annual financial statement data that are in one standardized format. This database is where you will find 10K data. Many of these items contain 30 years of data, and many are also offered as both as reported and restated. So if we go to the income statement, we'll see we have net sales for 30 years as well as restated sales for 30 years. DBDQ contains quarterly financial statement data. This database is where you'll find 10Q data. Many of these items also are as reported and restated, and many of these items contain 120 quarters of data. So we'll notice in income statement we have net sales with 120 quarters of data, and we also have restated sales with 120 quarters of data. DBDP is the daily price and dividend time series. So if we go to price and price volume, we have daily price for 1300 days as well as many different important items, dividend, versus DBWP, which is the same thing but with weekly data. And lastly, we have DBHP, which is very similar but with monthly data. ZBT-PRI contains price, estimate, and earnings data for active tickers as well as research tickers. Research tickers are tickers that no longer trade, but the historic data can still be found in ZBT-PRI. Ratios contains all of the most used financial ratios and metrics. This database has the most recent history, 5-year median, 10-year median, and 20-year median of data. ZQuant has Zacks proprietary model data such as the Zacks rank, as well as a few academic scores like the Piotrowski score. DBD AE and QE are expanded fundamental annual information and expanded fundamental quarterly information. There are 6 industry-specific templates available. Each template contains industry-specific items. For example, in the bank template, which is right here, under the revenue, we'll notice that instead of total revenue, they have total interest income. And also, another example, if we go to utilities revenue, we'll notice they have items like natural gas, electric, etc. QHIST Move contains trailing 12-month income statement data and 4-quarter average balance sheet data. TR Index is the total return index database for stocks. Total return is price plus dividends. Total return TR Index ETF is the same thing but for ETF information. ETF member D and ETF member M shows memberships in the iShares ETF. Thank you for watching this video on the database overview for Zacks Excel Link.